So the first pose I'm going to be showing you guys is a flexibility pose. This pose is really hard to do and it kind of cracks your back, so don't do it if you don't know how to. This was really hard. This was my first time trying it. I never tried this before. I've just learned it, but it was still really fun. Okay, so this pose was like so hard. I've been trying to learn how to do this for such a long time, and I finally learned how to do it. This was like one of my hardest tricks I've ever done. Doing this middle split was really hard, and to go all the way to the floor. I've been trying this for months. Comment down below if you guys love doing flexibility in gymnastics, and comment down below if you think that it's really fun to do it. Just for you guys to be clear, I want you guys to know that I've been trying this for a long time. That's why I'm really good. This is not easy to do. Never give up if you're trying to learn how to do these things. It might look easy, but once you try it for yourself, it's really not. So don't give up and continue trying and follow your dreams. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and put a thumbs up for this video, and comment down below if you guys like to do things like this, and if you want me to make more videos like this. Now I'm going to let you guys enjoy and watch the video. I hope you enjoy it.